to pull this kind of back to lift that up, see?
Okay.
So underneath here, we just have this blue box here, because these do have LEDs, so it just has additional parts, I guess. But as you can see, it doesn't really have that box, blue box, bulging on the OEM. And then on top of that, we have our aftermarket wiring for the tow hitch. So I was trying to push them over there. You actually got to push them kind of to the right here so that this box can go in right here without colliding with these, because it was preventing us from getting this bottom one lined up down here. What's up?
Just admiring the new taillight. I like it a lot.
All right, very good. Yeah, the one thing I wasn't sure about is if the reverse fog lights would work, because it's basically a double filament bulb on the OEMs, where like I guess the second filament lights up to give you the reverse fog lights, which is a cool feature of this car. Not a lot of cars have it, mainly just German cars, but yeah, it was cool. I didn't actually look at it very closely, but when you turn the reverse fogs on, this does get brighter down here, so that's cool. That's the only thing I didn't think was gonna work, or that might be different with these, but people that make these lights did a good job. And then obviously the only other thing you probably noticed is,
The brake
I guess
lights
we didn't
were in a
test the
different
blinkers
position.
though.
No. Do you want to do that again?
All right.
We'll do the whole process again.
Huh?
So we'll do the whole thing again where I start the car.
Oh, jeez. So as I was saying, we didn't test the blinkers, so we put the hazards on. But yeah, that was the main difference. I guess they just flipped the reverse light and the blinker. So I like it. It's cool. It's cool because a lot of people, when they want blacked out lights like this, will just put a film over it or even do some plasti dip that's black. But the problem with that is then the light itself isn't as bright. But these were made like this, so as you can see, the lights are still really bright, but it does give you that smoked out look, which is the ones Miranda liked, so I think they look cool.
I agree.
All right, we'll get the other side done, and that's a wrap. Our electrical issues in here were even worse. We have a little ground wire and then some additional wiring. Like I said, the for the tow hitch back here. So yeah, the box was down here, same as the other side, but when putting it in, it's trying to go in this space where all this wiring is. So I cleaned up the surface up here. I had some 3M double-sided tape, which was kind of like this stuff, and we moved the box up here. So now it's going in this area, and it just works a lot better. We already tested it and it fit in there, so Alright, so for those of you who are still here, it's like 3 days later, and I was just thinking about it, and I decided to also move the box on this side. It fit better on this side. There wasn't as much wiring. It's just this box is kind of jamming into the side right here, and with the car being older now and the wires probably a little more brittle, just decided we should just do this side as well because it worked out really well on the other side. So yeah, it's just like this when you get it. You can see I stuck my 3M double-sided tape on. We'll remove that and then just stick it on this way. Then it's just going in right above where the wires are. Because I remember putting it in this side, kind of had to like push a little bit to get the screws to line up, whereas that side, after we moved the box, it just went right in where it needed to be, right in place, and everything lined up. So yeah, it'll be better this way. So thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe. We appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.